Hello, welcome to the Fairford, Farringdon, Filkins and Burford Ploughing Society annual show. We've got 140 tractors ploughing today, some with Goodyear tyres. The sun's out, I'm sure we're going to have a great day, lots of people, lots in the main ring and lots for everyone to do and see.
The Goodyear farm tyres, they worked well for me today. Yeah, next year, hopefully, come back stronger and have a chance of winning it next year.
You can tell the difference between the slightly cheaper ones and then the proper Goodyears, and it's great for both showing and preservation and also for when they need to go and do a hard day's work as well.
These tyres have been on the tractor more or less from new, and they're Goodyear, and I'm pleased with them really, you know. Yeah, they're strong, yeah, they're good tyres, and we're looking forward to having a good job today.